Lesson 3. Sounds of O, R, and L. The symbols for O, R, and L are short forward undercurves differentiated by a length. As you can see, ang O, R, and L ay nagkakaiba na sila sa length or haba. Then, let's find out the words O. Then, O is a tiny hook like this one. And when we stroke a no, and O, then do, E, O. Own. Then, proceed tayo sa no, tone, and then tone. Okay. Then, dito naman tayo sa R words. The word ray is represented by R-A. Emphasize na natin yung mga stroke. Then, yung rain is R-A. Okay. Ayusin lang natin ang ating mga stroke. Rain is R-A-N. Then, or, low, near, three, and higher. Then, a dot. Then, let's proceed to L words. Lay is L-A. Lay. Emphasize na natin yung A. Then, Lee. Since Lee is a name, kaya kailangan natin lagyan ng capitalization symbol. Then, leading. And life. And day. Then, name, it's a noun, kaya kailangan may capitalization symbol. Then, meaning. And, yun ang pag-aralan nating ending ing, so kailangan may dot. Then, no. Yan. Yan. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope na may naintindihan tayo sa gabi dito. Thank you and God bless.